morning guys and welcome to Vlogmas day 21! Okay, real quickly, I'm running super late, so I'm gonna be explaining what's happening today while I'm putting this face together. By the way, hair is wet, it's not oily, even though it could look like this when my hair gets oily because it gets real bad. I've done my face a little bit so I can talk to you while I'm blending my eyes. I don't know what's happening in this lighting in the bathroom. Every time there's like a black line right here and one up here. And when I'm not recording, the lines go like this on the screen. Is there a ghost? Is it something the camera is meant to do? I'm gonna do something very typical that I always do on my eyes. Back in September when I had my birthday, me and my three girlfriends, we went to an escape room. So instead of me taking them out for like food or drinks and shit like this, which is like very normal and very forgettable, I wanted to give us sort of an experience, and I've never in my life done an escape room. So I found the best and the longest one in Athens, and that's where we went. It was amazing. It was 3 hours of us trying to escape from the room. It wasn't anything scary. It was just a lot of puzzles that you had to solve, and we gave a promise to each other that when I come back in Greece in December, we're gonna do the second part. It's basically like a story that unfolds, and you have to follow from the first part to the second one. So when you go to book the second part, they always ask you if you've done the first one, because if you haven't done the first one, you won't be able to follow through with the story. I'm really digging a really dark, cool toned lip. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So basically, so today is a special day because today we're doing the second part, and I'm so excited. I live for puzzles. If you're watching my stream, you've probably noticed that I really like games with puzzles, and anything that has to do with problem solving, oh my goodness, I absolutely adore. Another thing I think we should talk about is what happened yesterday at Greece's Next Top Model. And I don't want to discuss it just with the Greek viewers, I want to discuss it with everyone. This is why I'm going to explain to you really briefly what happened yesterday. Yesterday was the finals. The girls have done 3 pictures each, and they were going to get judged on their photos from 1 to 10 from each judge. They got judged on their 2 out of 3 photo shoots, and on the 3rd photo shoot, the people, the crowd, us, were gonna join in and vote with the judges. So when the judges were done voting for the 3rd photo shoot and like each picture of the participants, we could go online and vote. They gave us 1 minute, and the second that you were trying to load the page to try and vote for who your favorite girl is, basically everything broke. Like you couldn't get onto the site. I don't think I know one person that was able to vote. When they were done with their evaluations and the points were given to the girls by the judges, 2 of the girls had equal points. Okay, so the host interrupts while the girls are talking, and they're like, we broke the site, so we're gonna have 2 winners. Congratulations. And everyone's like, what? That was basically it. There were 2 winners, which is random as fuck and pretty dumb if you ask me. Hold up, what was that? That was nothing. I get a little bit paranoid when I hear noises and I'm alone in the house. I'm like, how cool is the yellow with the green? Loving it. I just finished my makeup. I wanted to do it off camera because if I kept on rumbling and rumbling and rumbling, I would never be ready, and the girls are on the way. Recently, I've been adding a lot of blush every time I do my makeup, and I kind of like it. I look kind of alive. I'm so excited because the girls are coming and I can't wait to go there. I don't know why it's focusing on the kitchen, but I'm right here. Thank you. The game starts straight away when you enter the door, so I'm not allowed to film anything because it has clues everywhere and you guys are gonna get spoiled. And I've already asked and they said, just please film only outside, so I have to respect their wishes. Plus, even if I didn't respect the wishes, there's cameras everywhere, so they would see me filming. And I don't want to get kicked out, okay? The girls are here, let's go! Hey guys, day 22. Every time I say a day, it reminds me of these movies where like astronauts get stuck in like their spaceship in space, obviously, and then they make these little diaries and they're like, day 23, still no signs from Earth. Yesterday was freaking amazing. I recommend this escape room so much. The second part was absolutely insane. It was so good. It was 3 hours and 20 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, the game master gave us plus 2 minutes for us to solve it because we were literally on the last thing and we were running around like crazy. It is so freaking nice. You knew it wasn't just that room you were in. You didn't know how many more rooms there were there, and you only had, you know, 3 hours and 20 minutes. We thought because we spent like 15 to 20 minutes in the first room, we're like, oh, we're doomed, we're never gonna solve it. And it's not like we were solving things in the first 15 to 20 minutes. We were solving nothing. We had no idea what we're doing. So we thought we were super late, we're not gonna make it, but there's like so many gorgeous rooms in the second part of Paradox, and again, I'm gonna have the link for them down below. You guys, if you're in Athens and you're looking for a sick escape room, go and do this one. 3 hours the first part, 3 hours and 20 minutes the second part. Not sponsored. I'm gonna wait for my dad to return and we might go buy supplies to make Christmas cookies, which I really wanted to make. We have so many sweets in this house at this point. I don't think this house has ever seen that many sweets, and I'm about to make even more. Vlogmas 23, literally 2 days before Christmas. Look at my roots. I need to dye my roots at some point before Christmas. I literally have 2 days. Maybe we can go and make the cookies I've been talking about. I'm gonna give you also the recipe that I'm gonna be using. Let's go and make some cookies. And right as I was talking about my hair being done, my mom said, come on, just bring the hair dye. We're gonna do it here. Like, look how hideous. Pause the video right now. Pause the video and tell me what color you think I'm gonna be doing my hair. Because I might be doing something super wild. You can't really tell much of a difference. I'll show you tomorrow with the light of day because they're so much more cool toned than they used to be. And right now, because the light is a little bit warm toned, it kind of shows, well, it's not warm toned, it's yellow green. It shows a lot more warm than it is, but I'm telling you, it's cool toned and I love it, and I have no roots anymore. I have to let the cookies completely cool down before I can decorate them. We'll leave the recipe down below as well if you're interested to know what I made exactly. They're like gingerbread cookies. It said that it was gonna make 30 to 40 cookies, but I didn't notice that the cookie cutters that this guy was using were like that large, and the ones that I made are like 60 cookies or something. Like, I'm gonna have to decorate a bunch of them. There's only 2 more days until Christmas. I can't believe there's 2 more days until Christmas. Whether you celebrate Christmas or whatever else in the world, I'm gonna wish you everything that you have ever dreamed of to come true with the new year, and all your goals to come true, and to work hard and dedicate your time to your goals to make them work and make them happen. Thank you guys so much for watching me and showing me your support. And for the ones that really want my stream back, the stream is gonna come back right after Christmas, where there's gonna be no more Vlogmas. But don't worry, for the ones that watch me on YouTube, I'm gonna do some more normal videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.